Croeso i'r Adran Wyddoniaeth. Bydd eich gwersi yn canolbwyntio ar ofyn llu o gwestiynau gwahanol a ceisio darganfod yr atebion.
Welcome to the Science Department here at Ysgol Bro Pedair, where your lessons are all about asking questions and trying to find the answers. Hello blwyddyn chwech, croeso I Adran Wyddoniaeth. I'm Mrs Craven, the head of science here, and my favourite thing about science is when we do an experiment and something completely unexpected happens, and it makes you guys ask lots and lots of questions, and then we can try and figure out what has happened.
Hi, I'm Mr Norris. I'm second in science at Ysgol Bro Pedair and I teach biology. What I really love about teaching biology is looking at the world around us and finding out how it works using science and our skills in science. Ultimately, what I really love about it is seeing the shock on your faces when you find out how the world works and how much you've learned about it. Really looking forward to seeing you guys in year 7, 8 and 9, and hopefully you'll stay with us right the way through.
Helo, fy enw I Dr Bob a dwi'n dysgu Wyddoniaeth. A fy hoff beth am Wyddoniaeth yw ddarganfod sut mae pethau'n gweithio a pam.
Hello, I'm Mr Palm and I teach physics and some chemistry. And my favourite things about science is it runs the world.
Helo, Miss Jenkins ydw I, yn dysgu gwyddoniaeth a bioleg. Rwy'n mwynhau darganfod sut mae'r corff yn gweithio trwy dyrannu gwahanol rannau fel yr arenau a'r galon.
Hi, my name is Mr Stevens and I teach chemistry. Probably the best thing I like about teaching chemistry is I get to make things explode.
Hi there, I'm Mrs Cropley. I'm the science technician at Bro Pedair, and when I'm not preparing lessons, I love spending time in the garden. That's my favourite thing. When you join us in Year 7, the first thing you'll learn about is how to work safely in one of the labs and how to conduct investigations and experiments successfully. And then we'll use those skills to start to explore the world around you a little bit more.
Oes bywyd ar blanedau eraill?
Is there life on other planets?
O lle mae egni'n dod?
Is our diet healthy?
Beth sy'n achosi pethau I newid?
And how can we save a species? Right, Year 6, we have a challenge for you. To start you thinking about your science and technology skills, I want you to see if you can make the best or the biggest tower just out of dried spaghetti and marshmallows.
Oce, blwyddyn chwech, mae her gyda ni I chi. Ni angen I chi gwneud y tŵr mwyaf allan o spaghetti a marshmallow.
So, if you have a go at the challenge and you manage to build a tower, take a picture, maybe note down what you did and send an email into school to show us what you've done, and we'll get back to you and there'll be something special waiting for you at reception.
Unwaith bod wedi llwyddo I wneud hyn, os newch chi danfon llun neu rhywbeth tebyg mewn i'r ysgol, byddwn ni'n ymfarnu'r gwaith ac bydd rhywbeth arbennig i'r person sydd wedi ennill. Felly, os chi'n awyddus I gweld pan mae'r hylif yn troi'n ddu, a pan mae'r rhai o'r arbrofion yn ffrwydro, rydyn ni'n awyddus i'ch gweld ym mis Medi.
So if you can't wait to see why things go black, or pop, or fizz, then we can't wait to see you in September.